Welcome back to my channel Aparna's Home TV, where I share my passion for cooking, beauty and health. So in today's video we are going to see Sephora Sephora Play Box. I'm confused between Ipsy and Sephora, but no problem. I got it clear now. So let's go on with the video. Sephora Play Box, November box. So let's see what I got and what I think about the box. I review and you decide whether the product is right for you or not. So let's see what I got and we'll see if the box is right for me or not. So they completely changed up the packaging. They used to send a bag and now they shifted it to plastic. I'm little disappointed in it, but nothing to bad if the products are right. So let's see what I got. Moroccan oil protect and prevent spray. I never tried this, so this is a huge plus for me. I'm truly impressed with this. The size also I'm truly impressed. I will test it out and see if it's of any use. Okay. This is my Makeup Forever HD foundation powder, loose powder that you set your eyes with. So I absolutely love any setting powders. So I never tried Makeup Forever HD foundation powder, so I'm truly thumbs up for this. Two products, thumbs up. Wow, I absolutely love perfume samples. That's a huge plus for me. Another thumbs up, because I can't afford high-end perfume, so this is a nice way, but that's okay. And Sephora lip stain. I love Sephora products because they are pretty good. I don't have any complaints with it, but I don't like that they send the same product over and over again. So I'm kind of disappointed, but nothing. I can definitely use another lip stain, no problem. It's kind of nude color. Packaging is really hard to open. Yeah, look at the color. I hope you can see. It's nice nude color and I love it. Let's see. They say it has 90 shades, guys. Wow. It looks like matte lipstick. I absolutely love matte lip stains because I prefer that my lipstick doesn't move when I apply it. So I absolutely love when a company goes for the matte lipstick. So I truly love this. 4, guys. I'm not disappointed with anything. So another 2 products. Clinique Pep Start. Not too impressed with this because I already got 2 samples of this, so I'm not too much into it. Ceramidin Dr. Jart Ceramidin cream. I never tried this. This is again a plus for me. So let me try it and tell you my opinion. So this is what I got in my Sephora Play Box. What did you get? I love to check what you got. Please do share me a picture or leave me a comment on what you got, whether you like the box or not. If you don't subscribe, would you be willing to subscribe or not by seeing this video? Please do share it with me in the comment section. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you guys as usual in my next video. Bye for now. Thank you so much for watching me.